Hi, today let us discuss about the loop concept in C program. First, what is loop? Loops are used to repeat a block of code, that is it executes the statements many times until the stated condition become false. That is, once the condition become false, it will terminate from the loop. Next is parts of loop. There are mainly two parts of loop. First one is body of the loop and second one is control statement. In the body of the loop we will give the statement, and the control statement there we will give the conditions. That is, the control statement is a combination of some condition that directs the body of the loop to execute until the specified condition become false. Once the condition become false, it will terminate from the loop. So next is types of loop. There are mainly two types of loops in C. First one is entry control loop and next is exit control loop. In the case of entry control loop, the condition is checked before execution. So first the statement will check the condition. If the condition is true, then only it will execute the statement, that is pre it is. And in the case of exit control loop, it will execute the statement, after that only check the condition. So one time it will execute the statement. So condition is checked after the execution, that is post. Then there are three types of loops in C: while loop, do while loop and for loop. First one is while loop. It is a straightforward structure, that is in the while part we will give the condition. So while the condition is true, it will execute the statement, otherwise it will terminate from the loop. So its syntax is since while, that while, do, for, everything we have to write in small letters always. Okay, then that syntax of while loop is while, then condition, then after that statement. So if the condition is true, it will execute the statement, otherwise it will terminate the loop. In the case of do while loop, in name itself we got the point, do while loop. So first it will do, then only it will check the condition. That is, the condition always executed after the body of the loop. So it will execute the statement one time, after that it will check the condition. So its syntax is do, then we will give the statement while expression. So the main difference in most of the exams, one question will be there: what is the difference between while loop and do while loop? So the answer how to write: in the case of while loop, it is an entry control loop. So the condition is checked once before execution of the statement. But in the case of do while loop, it is exit control loop. That is the main point. It is exit control loop. So the condition will check after the execution of the statement. That is the main difference between while loop and do while loop. Then one efficient loop we are using in C is for loop. This efficient loop structure in C. Its syntax is while, initialization, condition, after that modify. So in the case of for loop, first we will initialize the value, that is I is equal to 1, I is equal to 5 or I is equal to 0. We will initialize the value, then it followed by the condition. So after that it will change the condition. So if the condition is true, it will execute the statement. Then again the control will go to modify, whether it to increment or decrement. After that it will again go to condition. It will check the condition and then execute the statement. This process will repeat until the condition become false. Once the condition become false, it will terminate from the loop. This is the main difference between while loop, do while loop and for loop. So while loop and for loop is what? Entry control loop. That is, the condition will check, after that only if it is true, then only it will execute the statement. In the case of do while loop, it is exit control loop. That is, it will check the condition only after the execution of the statement. This is the main difference between these three loops. In next class we will discuss briefly about these three loops with examples and more